Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. The current R35 GT-R has been on sale since 2008 to has had some extensive changes over the years, and now there are more changes for 2024. Nissan Japan revealed the 2024 GT-R T-Spec and Nismo for the Japanese market. So what different this time? Up front is a redesigned grille again. Here we see smoother and straighter lines in the name of aerodynamics. Nissan also has redone the suspension. Under the hood is the iconic 3.8-liter hand-built twin-turbo V6, making 565 power and 467 pound-feet of torque, sending power to the still quite unique ATTESE rear transaxle all-wheel drive system. And yes, the GT-R is still stupid fast with 0 to 60 in around 2.7 seconds. And this is not even the Nismo model that gets 600 horsepower and 481 pound-feet of torque and 0 to 60 in around 2.5 seconds. Under the hood also get new engine, refinement with weight balance part. Then come the Nismo Special Edition, which get a full host of extra aero upgrade along with its own suspension tuning. Here we see extensive carbon fiber aero outside with a new diffuser, hood, splitter and wing. There is a mechanical LSD on the front axle too, along with some wild carbon fiber recaro bucket seat inside. Want something less wild? The T-Spec is here with a blend of comfort and performance. This will launch in Japan, but it is unclear if it's coming to the US. Europe will no longer be getting any GT-R. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Nissan GT-R? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.